behind 7 to 10 for the
Okay, so kita akan start dengan aquatron dulu.
Follow me to the red arch.
The boy.
Dia
tak ada. Boleh.
Tempat di mana community run akan bermula di mana kami akan bermula dengan kategori 7 ke 10 dan 10 ke 6. Okay, so mereka yang dalam kategori 11 hingga 15 akan ke belakang sikit lagi, okay? So 7 ke 10 dulu. Yang dalam bib berwarna kuning dulu. Bib berwarna kuning dulu.
Eden masuk dulu, Eden.
check. Okay, so
Where is run?
Oh, from here.
You have to, that's not what did they tell you? You have to remember.
Oh, like from here to the yellow boy, like the yellow boy and then
When are you going to wear your shoes? For the run?
2 more laps.
Yes. Okay. So you just focus on what you've already trained for. Can do this. Eden masuk. Eden sana. Eden. Can to go in front. Follow the yellow cap. Eden masuk, Eden.
Nanti bang.
Eden masuk dulu. Go. Eden. Eden. Ya, okay. Eden, line up. Eden, line up. Apa ya?
Anak-anak sekali ya. Jangan lupa sikit. Evan. Ayah,
Good morning, Iron Kids!
Iman.
Alif!
Eden, Google betul kan? Google betul kan? Okay?
Raise your hand. Mama, you ada.
Alif. Puza.
Okay, Aira. No.
Yes, Eden.
Enjoy.
So, what I want you to do, place your parents.
Community run sama. Is it tight? Can? Sure?
Parents, what they say.
Live aku akan community run lebih sikit. Sebab dia swimming lama sikit.
Mana Eden dengan Mami?
Start the 7 to 10. We have 5 lines here. 5 kids every 5 seconds. You'll hear
Focus, Eden.
the beat or the whistle. And then line at a time.
Watch.
I don't think they listen.
Tak perlu pun actually. Dia guna.
As soon as the last
Dia boleh tu ada open water. Macam besar sangat je punya watch.
Aira, look, Papa. Atas kamera.
my instructions. Okay, 11 to 15. Good. Now, 7 to 10.
Enjoy. Dalam ni nak tips macam mana? Enjoy, itu paling penting. Ya. Bila dah hari race, tak boleh fikir panjang. You can enjoy je. Tak boleh panik.
Easy lah. Nak gambar Eden boleh? Tak, saya tak live.
Okay.
Finish line. How many loops in the swim? How many loops in the swim?
Eden, how many loops Eden?
How many loops in the run? Very good. Do you have any questions? 7 to 10.
On one, pecahan dua. Aku akan cover balik depan.
You go tak? You listen to.
Community run.
Ya.
11 to 15.
Kalau waktu start sama community run, aku cover community run.
Good morning, Iron Kids. Thank you so much. So, get the water.
Yes.
When you come out of the water after the first loop, do not go to the
Aida, Aida.
carpet.
One round saja tau. One lap saja.
Here's the red carpet. There are cones here. You run.
Next year baru 2 lap.
Then remember your training.
Here's the red carpet. Here's the water.
2. Oh, lagi. Benar tak. Okay.
On the sand.
Ini nak start dengan ni ke?
Arah tak nak kena masa yang sama. Kat mana? Merah.
You want? Okay.
Pemitiran ada.
When you come out,
Belakang.
Aida, tarik nafas.
on the green carpet.
Enjoy okay? Tak nak stress. Enjoy.
Lagi dia keluarkan room spare, please don't pressure. Dia boleh keluar kan? Tak, dia pasal balik.
Ada.
You can do this.
Easy.
Aida ingat sighting.
Jangan sebab dia ketat nanti. Jangan sampai dia tak ketat. Okay?
Orang elak. Elak. Okay.
Oh, your friends here. Relax. Yeah. Dia jangan pecut dia awal-awal. Selalu pecut.
Esok ayah dia pula.
Buat anak pun boleh lah. Buat.
2 minit. 2 minit more Aida.
2 minit lagi ada. 2 minit. Ada anak budak. Dia tak masuk besar ya. Dia awak benda banyak. Cuba dia. Ui, komuniti dah seram-seram lah. Aku nak panik macam mana? Masuk tadi.
Then take it slow.
Tadi keluar tadi kan?
Whenever you are in doubt, remember your training.
Okay. Kita akan tengok komuniti run dengan Ara. Sorry everyone.